welcome back to the Krystal Palace. We are here in Disneyland Park in Anaheim, California, and for lunch we will be dining at the Blue Bayou. I'm very excited. This restaurant seems amazing. Pirates of the Caribbean ride goes right through the restaurant, so we're hungry. Let's go eat. All right, here it is in New Orleans Square. It's very nice. Here is the waiting room. We're waiting for our reservation to be called. I'm excited. Okay, here we are. You can see the Pirates ride. This is a view from our table. It's really nice in here. Reminds me a lot of the San Angel Inn in the Mexico Pavilion and Epcot. That is in the Three Caballeros. And this is in Pirates. It's really nice. Okay, let's look at the menu. Okay, here's our menu. We've got some starters, salads, entrees. I like how it's not prefixed. Sometimes I don't enjoy prefix because I just feel like very pressured to eat a lot. And desserts. And then I love when they have pictures. So here's a picture of the tomato and watermelon salad, signature cocktail, and then they have kids meals as well. And then wines and drinks. I think I'm going to get the Monte Cristo. I hear that's like a fan favorite here and something that you should try. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm feeling adventurous. I'm just gonna wave to everyone the whole time. It's so fun. All right, we got a mint julep. This is another staple in Disneyland in general. So I don't know, I'm excited to try it. I've never had one before. Okay, cheers. Alessa said she feels like she's drinking Trident or Crest. So let's try her out. Oh, me? Oh yeah. Yeah, you're drinking like Crest. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. No, I'm not sure. All right, here is my Monte Cristo. You gotta see my face when they brought it because I was so confused. I thought it was a sandwich. That's what it looks like. So, I don't know. We'll try it out. And Alessa got the pesto pasta, which looks really good actually. Yeah, all right. So, bon appetit. Not exactly sure how to even eat these. I knew it said fried, but I just wasn't expecting it to look like this. I'm just gonna cut into it. Okay, so it's pretty good. I'm not gonna rant and rave about it because it's not like my favorite thing in the world. If you feel like ham and cheese sandwiches, then you're definitely gonna like this. And turkey. Yeah, I don't know. It's not bad at all. Is it my favorite item in the world? No. But I do love the atmosphere in here. So I'm gonna eat my sandwich and enjoy. This is good. You can see the inside here, what we got, what we're working with. And then just like the fried. I like the outside a lot. This deep fried is really good.
Shout out to our waiter. He gave us the genius idea that asked to have them fill water in your water bottle rather than going and buying it. I don't know why I never thought of this.
Smart. Just got out of Blue Bayou. I thought it was really cool. I'm glad that we got to experience it. It was a great experience. The atmosphere, you can't beat it. The food, if you like that sandwich, then you should definitely try it. I really loved the fried part of it. That was delicious. Alessa, what did you think of your food? And
my pasta was good. It's definitely like different flavors, so I feel like you have to be a bit more adventurous with what you like.
Yeah.
The other dishes were spicy, so that's why I didn't get them like the jambalaya and the gumbo. I'm not personally a spice person, but I feel like if you like that, you will like that restaurant a lot. Also, I don't know what the obsession is with mint juleps. I really don't. I'm so disappointed.
Yeah, I really could not finish mine, but like she said, you kind of have to be a little adventurous eater, which is why I had a little problem with it. But if you are an adventurous eater, then this is the place for you. It's really cool. And now let's hop on Pirates because, you know, we're in that pirate spirit. Oh, wow. Also the smell? Yes. Yes, just yes. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hi, with light for me. I love this song. This is my favorite.
It'd be too late to alter course, mate.
Big men tell no tales. Alright, we got some beignets.
Here's the bag.
We got pumpkin and regular.
Smell it. Yeah, these are 100% the pumpkin one.
They're steaming.
And it's covered. And we got these, I want to say 10 minutes ago. So already right there, good quality. Okay, wait, one bite. Everybody knows the rules about the beignets. Okay, first off, very messy. So, yeah, all over. Very fresh, like light, fluffy, love it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.